In February 2024, a finance worker at a multinational firm got an email from his chief financial officer asking for a secret urgent transfer. He suspected phishing. So the company put him on a video call with the CFO and several colleagues, faces he knew, voices he recognized, reassured he wired $25 million. Every single person on that call was an AI-generated deepfake. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how hackers are using AI to target you and the 4 things that stop them. I spent over 2 decades in and around Army Special Forces, where deception is a weapon and spotting it keeps people alive. And now I run an AI security consultancy helping companies defend against exactly these attacks. And here's the uncomfortable truth: AI hasn't invented new scams. It has taken the oldest scams in the book and made them faster, cheaper, and nearly impossible to spot with your gut alone. So let's break down the 4 biggest AI threats coming for you right now. Threat number 1, AI written phishing. You were taught to spot scam emails by their typos and broken English. That advice is now obsolete. Modern AI writes flawless, personalized emails in seconds. It reads your LinkedIn, your company's press releases, your social media, and it references your real boss, your real projects, your real life. Security researchers have tracked a surge of more than 1,000% in AI-assisted phishing since these tools went mainstream. The tell is no longer bad grammar. The tell is the request itself, urgency, secrecy, and money or credentials. Any message with those 3 ingredients gets verified on another channel every time. Threat number 2, deepfake video calls. The $25 million heist wasn't science fiction. And it's a template, and it's being reused against smaller companies every week. Live deepfakes can now impersonate anyone with a few minutes of public video, and your CEO's keynote is already on YouTube. 2 defenses work. First, ask the person on screen to turn their head fully sideways. Current deepfakes still glitch at profile angles. Second, and more reliable, no payment, password reset, or data transfer ever gets approved inside a video call alone. It gets confirmed through a callback to a number you already had. Make that a rule, not a suggestion. Threat number 3, voice cloning, and this one targets your family. 3 seconds of audio is enough to clone a voice today. A TikTok clip, a voicemail greeting, a school recital video. Scammers call parents with a child's cloned voice, crying, in trouble, needing money wired now. The FBI says Americans have lost roughly $900 million to these calls. One mother almost wired $5,000 until the caller used a word her real son never says. That's the defense. And it costs nothing. A family safe word. Pick one tonight at dinner. If a panicked caller can't say it, you hang up. No exceptions, no apologies. Threat number 4, the AI tools you use every day. Every prompt you type into a free AI chatbot may be stored, reviewed, and used to train future models. Employees paste contracts, customer lists, and passwords into these tools daily, and most companies have no idea. Security teams call it shadow AI, and it adds hundreds of thousands of dollars to the average breach. 2 fixes. At home, open your AI tools settings and turn off training on your data. It's one switch. At work, never paste anything into a free AI tool that you wouldn't post on a public website. If your company hasn't given you a sanctioned AI tool with rules, that's a conversation worth starting this week. So here is your 4-point AI scam survival kit. 1, set a family safe word tonight. 2, verify every request involving money, passwords, or sensitive data on a second channel you already trust, no matter how real the voice or face seems. 3, lock down your voice and video footprint, starting with a default robotic voicemail greeting instead of your own voice. 4, turn off AI training on your data and keep anything sensitive out of free AI tools entirely. None of this requires you to be technical. All of it works because it removes the one thing every AI scam depends on, your instinct to trust what you see and hear. I put all 4 defenses into a free AI security checklist. 20 checks for you, your family, and your business. The link is in the description. If this helped you, subscribe. Every week, I break down how AI is changing security in plain English, no jargon. Because the machines are getting smarter, let's make sure you stay smarter. I'm Jax. Stay in the cyber know.